Machinery auctions at Surplex. It's that simple. Are you looking to expand your machinery collection quickly and cheaply? Are you searching for modern machines far below their original prices? Do you need forklifts, tools, spare parts, office furniture, workbenches, cabinets, or other operational inventory? At www.surplex.com, you're guaranteed to find it. Because at Surplex, there are new and interesting auctions for you to discover week after week. There are several worthwhile advantages of placing a bid: access to a variety of machinery at a single location, cheap hammer prices, available straight away, a comprehensive service. Bidding at Surplex is easy. Simply follow these 4 short steps. Step 1. Sign up. Step 2. Log in. Step 3. Accept terms and conditions. Step 4. Place your bid. Done. Create an account using our fast registration process or log in with your access details to start now. We wish you good luck with your bidding.